Hello guys, it's me again, and today I'll be doing something which I usually don't do. This is the first time, so let's give it a try then. You might be asking, but Mikhail, what are you doing? That's a great question, random viewer. Today I'll be opening a literal Shining Fates pack. I bought this from Kmart in Australia, guys. So if you're in Australia, just try to find these because I went everywhere today trying to look for these. The only stores that had packs were in EB Games and in Kmart, but the EB Games ones were like 110 Australian dollars. So I just bought this one. Yes, it was 59 Australian dollars, but I paid it off to my dad, okay? So I have this Shining Fates pack. It's a shiny Eldegoss V card, so without further ado, let's start opening this. That's the cleanest one I ever done in my life. Alright, no need descriptions because we already. Let's give this pack a good open. Oh, wow. So these are the cards. Obviously you have the Eldegoss, Shiny Eldegoss V card. You know that's like good. Oh god. Yeah. Red code card. Red code card. Let's go. Look at this card. I'll be sleeving it later, but for now, let's just continue. 1, 2, 4, 6. Yep, there's 6 in here. So there is. Oh, I never hold a Shining Fates pack before, so I am just. Alright, Alright, so there's a Shiny G-Max Charizard, Shiny Corviknight, another shiny Corviknight, another shiny G-Max Charizard, a shiny Dragapult, and a shiny Toxtricity. Just don't care about that. Yep, that's all it is. So I would just be. I'm just gonna open this Toxtricity one. I've seen all the PokeTubers who know how to open packs. I know how this thing goes. Alright. Boom! White code card. There's like white code cards in every pack, just to let you know. You know what we always got to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you just gotta do. Alright. Put this away. So we've got Fighting Energy, Twaggy, Cramorant, Rusted Shield, Nickit, Rowlet, Trapinch, Weasel, Coughing, Shiny Ice Cube! Let's go! That's a W for us. And Professor Juniper's research. But that Shiny Ice Cube is a W. I'll just be keeping it with the Shiny Eldegoss. 2 shinies plus that red Gyarados I've got. I'm gonna open this Charizard one. Oh my, oh no. Oh no. Boom, another white code card, put that there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, this is pack number 2. Alright, so we have Grass Energy, Dartrix, Eldegoss, Luxio, Shinx, Grookey, Trapinch again, Yanma, Coughing, Lysander, and a Celebi. Yeah, Celebi's good. I'm just putting it like kind of like cool Pokemon cards, but like not shinies. Right. Next we try this shiny Dragapult. Dragapult. I'm sorry. That was an error. I haven't played Pokemon in a while. Right. I like these two Dreepies coming out of the Dragapult's ears. Are those Dragapult's ears? Or cannon holders? Not sure. Guess the world will never know. Alright. The third halfway through the packs. This is good. Boom. White code card. Fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bada bing, bada boom. Fire Energy. Dartrix again. Gym Trainers. Team Yell. Grookey again. Weasel again. Yanma again. Trapinch again. Shinx again. Tropius. And a Volcanion. No, I'm just putting it with Celebi. Alright, we're down to our final 3 packs, guys. I'm going for this center Corviknight, shiny Corviknight one. Hoping we get something good out of it. Wait, let me just go get something. Wait, I need to like get something first. I think it's like no, never mind. Yeah, never mind. I'll just do it later after the video finishes. This is very stressful stuff. Boom, our 5th white code card. What a surprise. Sarcasm. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we got Electric Energy, Luxio again, Twacky again, Ball Guy again, Snom, Morpeko, Cacnea, Shooter, what was this one? Spinarak, Ball Guy again, Lysander's possible. Alright, putting it with the rest first time. 2 pack. I'm putting the luck on the shiny Charizard. I am not asking for a lot. I'm just asking for something good that will be ingrained into my childhood memory forever. Boom. Code card. 2, 4. We got Grass Energy, Rusted Shield, Rotom, Cramorant, Yanma, Trapinch, Nicket, Gossifleur, Cacnea, Kyogre Amazing Search! Let's go! And an DD Mail V! Those are W's. If this is PSA 10, this is like going for like hundreds of US dollars. No. Okay. Yes, sir. Putting this with the shiniest final pack of the day from the tin. The second shiny Corviknight booster pack. Let's see what we get. Hope we get something good. Woo! Our final white coat, the 7th and final one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's go. Alright. Electric Energy, Luxio, Floatzel, Dartrix, Rowlet, Eevee, Morpeko, Weasel, Nicket, Shoodle, and Manaphy. We ended on the low, guys, but it's okay. If you forgot what good cards we got, let me show you again. So, in order of what we found them in are Shiny Eldegoss V, Shiny Ice Cube, Amazing Kyogre, oh wow, this feels like a PSA 10, and a Male and DDV, full art Male and DDV card. The other one that thought were pretty cool were, just put them. We have Celebi, Volcanion, and Manaphy. Right. I'm holding something. These cards are... We got this amazing. Give me. Okay, you got these 4 cool Pokemon cards. Wait, let me ask. Alright. That wraps up the video for today. Hope you guys like it, and if you do, maybe I might do more, guys, but I'm not sure. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you had a great day. And make sure you stay positive, guys. Thank you for watching this video.